Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire Countertop ice maker light blinking, flashing, error codes and reset. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. You just have to unplug the power cord from the wall and wait for 10 full minutes to clear the control board memory. Then plug the machine back into the outlet and press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Fix 2. Check and refill the water. Open the lid and remove the ice basket. Locate the internal water reservoir. Fill the reservoir with a fresh water up to the max fill line. Ensure you do not overfill the past the line. Fix 3. Clear the ice blockage. Unplug the machine for safety. Inspect the ice lot tray and the metal fingers. Gently remove any jammed ice or frost buildup. Leave the lid open to let the stubborn ice melt naturally. Step 4. Clean the sensor eyes. You just have to locate the two infrared lens inside the upper wall of the ice basket area. Dip a cotton swab or microfiber cloth in a warm water. Gently wipe the sensor lens to remove mineral scale or dirt. Dry the sensor thoroughly with a clean cloth. Fix 5. Verify the water filter and drain cap. Check the bottom or back of the unit. Ensure the drain plug is pushed in a tight to prevent pressure loss. Clean the small mess filter, inlet filter inside the reservoir if it looks clogged. Thanks for watching.